Hello again and welcome back. This time we're going to look at scheduling and some useful configuration settings available in the backup client. To begin with, we need to start the backup client from the system tray. Your backup schedule is accessed via the Automate button. As you can see, we're currently set to backup at 7 p.m. every day. We can easily change that to, say, 9 p.m. Or we can select the advanced schedule and add additional backups. For example, on Monday to Friday, we could run an extra backup at lunchtime. Lastly, on this page, we've got the option to have the client prompt us with a warning if backups are not being run. It's generally a good idea to leave this at the default value, but you could use the Warn Immediately option if regular backups are critical for you. Next, we'll look at some other useful configuration settings. The Account and Security Options screen shows you your account details and your current storage limit. Also, this is where you can update your account password and encryption key. The Backup Throttle Options screen allows you to limit how much internet bandwidth the backup software uses at different times of the day. For example, you could limit bandwidth during business hours so that your 12 p.m. backups don't interfere with other work. The Disk Usage Options screen allows you to change the location of the temporary working folders used by the backup client. Now we quickly want to show you how to access the backup logs. Simply click on the Logs tab from the main screen. The log entries listed in blue are backups, and the ones listed in green are restores. If you want to see just the backup summary and not the full logs, click the Summary button to toggle between summary and full backup log views. Inside the backup logs themselves, entries in blue are generally warnings, and entries in red indicate some kind of failure. Lastly, in this demo, we'd like to show you what happens if the backup software can't connect to the backup service. As you can see here, if the backup starts and then we break the connection to the service, the backup waits for 10 minutes, then tries again. It will retry 15 times before giving up and failing the backup. Also, you may sometimes see this screen. This happens when an earlier backup has begun, but for some reason failed to complete. You are being prompted whether to finish the older backup or to run a new one. If you've made a lot of changes to your data since the earlier backup, then it would be advisable to click No and create a new backup. If, however, your data hasn't changed, then it will be quicker to click Yes and resume the partly completed backup. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.